Hi, my name is Eric Olson. I want to tell you a little bit about the Noodling workshop that I'll be facilitating. So, Noodling is a workshop that's meant for beginners, people new to their lean journey, or people that are more experienced that want to look at lean from maybe a different perspective or a little different angle and maybe polish their skills a little bit. It's even possible that, maybe they want to be future facilitators of a course like this for their organizations. I think about lean as essentially the answer to three questions. What's the value? What's the process? And how are we involving people in problem solving? The Noodling workshop lasts one day. We are doing this workshop now in a full-on hybrid mode. So we can have people online and people physically in the workshop here in San Luis Obispo at the same time. It's a good opportunity for organizations that are trying to do that kind of thing for meetings to look at, maybe what I think are some best practices in getting that dual in-person online engagement and making that happen effectively. We do use the Shingo model as a real good way to describe lean and what a total lean culture looks like. You'll learn about those things. We'll do a lot of in-class, online, hybrid type interaction. And I think it's a real value and something that you should consider for your organization. I hope to see you there.